Hello guys, did you know what weather is? There are 5 types of weather: sunny, rainy, cloudy, stormy, and windy. In sunny day, you need to use sunglasses and a hat. And in rainy day, you need to use boots, raincoat, and umbrella. And in windy day, you need to use a kite. And you don't need electricity. And don't open the fan because they have a fresh air. And if it's cloudy day, you need to have activity outdoors, and you can play outside. And on stormy day, go at your home because it's dangerous outside. Thank you. Bye.